Hello, everybody, and welcome back to All the Mods 9. This is episode 14, I believe. Wait, let me check. Wait, hello, computer? Excuse me? Okay. Uh, yes, it is episode 14, as I have confirmed. Last episode, we did some exploration. We finished Cataclysm, and we also did the Twilight Forest. It was a long episode, right? You should probably check it out. But we're pretty much done with almost getting our first star. If we look at the recipe of the star and we request one, you'll see that we're only left with a little bit of evil craft stuff that we need to just finish up. We are left with occultism, we're left with Ad Astra, and we're also left with immersive engineering. So I thought, let's do immersive engineering today. You know, normally when you're starting off with immersive engineering, you're probably starting off with not some lag, I would say. Not this lag, please. You'd start off with this coke oven. You'd put some coke in, you put some coal in, it turned to coke, and it'll give you some creosote oil. And I believe I do have some creosote oil, and I do have some treated wood already. I did it for some other stuff. But yeah, I do have some creosote oil, and I also do have some crude oil, which I'll need some later, I believe. Uh, but what I'm thinking is I'm gonna work on why is there a bee here? I need to turn on the light there. Uh, but I was thinking of using the room right next to the create room for some industrial foregoing stuff. Not industrial foregoing, sorry, immersive engineering stuff. So I thought this room and the room adjacent to it will use for the two processes of immersive engineering. So one process that we need to do, if you look over here, is getting the H3 accumulator. So we need to get a coke dust and we need to get a squeezer and get some hop graphite. The other part we need to do is get some Duroplast sheets for making part of the other part of the railgun, because the Duroplast sheets can be converted into circuits, I believe. The advanced electronic components, that's what we need. So we're gonna have a whole setup here that we need to do with immersive engineering. And yeah, it'll be pretty fun. The first thing we need to do is first get rid of all of these things that I did not need right now. But if you saw, I actually have set up recipes for these things. This is not an actual craftable thing. If I press R, it's not an actual item, but I can actually craft and request it because I've set up custom amounts for building the custom recipes for building the what should we call it, the multi-block structures for them. Immersive engineering has really cool multi-block structures, and that is something that you must keep in mind when you're working on that stuff. I have 13 antimatter. That's really nice. But yeah, what I want to do is get some coke dust. If we want to not get coke dust, what do we want? Are we sure we want coke dust? Do I want coke dust? No, I want what is it? What is it called? Uh, coke. Oh, it is coke dust. It's just the immersive engineering variant of it. And oh, we have Greg Tech as well. But there's not like, I mean, you could do that, right? It's not that bad, to be honest. That's not that bad, honestly. You don't have to get into create or anything, and that's probably very easy to get. That's not bad. We could do Greg Tech, but we'll just do create. We already have a progress in create because I don't want to build the whole crusher thing. If we look at the engineer's manual and we look at the setup for all of the heavy machinery, this is all the multi-block structures. We'd have to build this crusher here, and if we look at the final structure, yeah, there, we'd have to build this whole multi-block, and we need this. Might as well not big it because we're not never going to use it again, so there's no point in doing that. So might as well craft it here, you know. Now I'm not pretty sure if I can actually fit it in here. uh can I fit the crushing wheel in here is the question. We only need two spaces along, so as long as we have enough space, which we should, by the way. This doesn't look too bad, to be honest. And then we just surround this thing all the way around. And it's kind of annoying because I don't have the perfect size, so I actually have to do it pretty manually. But yeah, basically, I'm just drawing a star like that. So I'm just going around like this, and that, right? Is that correct? I think it is. Okay. So we can. Oh my goodness, dude. What is wrong with my frames? I believe we need a redstone signal to turn on. It doesn't have any stress. I completely forgot about that. Can we put this on our other thing? It's not big enough, is it? So electric motor, please. Motor? Ugh, I don't have an. I should have got this ready before I started recording. Derp. What is it called? Cogwheels? Right? Yeah, let's get some cogs. So we can start this. It's crafting up all of this stuff. This takes quite a bit of time. It's the because I'm using thermal for making all my plates. Once we get into GregTech, this will be a lot faster. Honestly, GregTech plate making and stuff, like it's very fast. So this kind of slowdown is something that we wouldn't have to worry about much later on. But yeah, it's crafting both our electric motors. How do I want to go about this question? Do I just put a cog here, electric motor here? How much does this need? Is the question. It won't tell me, would it? It's really annoying. Let's just use a gate because I don't want to manually set up all of the stuff right now. It is overstressed, right? So let's do another one here. Motor. Hello. Game, please, please stop. What is wrong with the game today? Let me just craft two more just in case, just in case we need some. If we do this, okay, that's it. So we just need two electric motors basically. Is there a better place to put the motors than that? Honestly, that's a not a bad place, to be honest. Let's, I guess, just need a redstone signal, right? Okay. Let's speed this up. Let's do 128. Oh. Oh, if we want it faster, then it's overstressed. Interesting. 64. And let's do so interesting. Why can't we? That's really interesting. Okay, so the oh, because it's the slower it is, the more stress it needs. Hmm. Interesting. Would we have to? Oh, it's because are they? No, they're probably interacting with each other, and that's why they're overstressed. Let me just do 128 on both. Wait, what? Why did it fail? Bro. Okay. Question? Please work. Oh, is it because they're not connected? They're not connected. Hmm. Let me grab my wrench. Uh, dude, what is happening? What is this normal? Is this supposed to be normal? Okay. This. Okay. I might have to do it properly for the other ones as well, but let's just make sure this works for now. because it looks like those ones are not working. They might work for the final star because I'm doing this multi weird recipe, right? It might not work just for this, but it might work for the actual star. That's probably what it is because the shape is weird, right? Because it did the other ones, it didn't do this one, so because that. Okay. Let's set up that recipe again. And we're crafting. Okay. Let's see. What the hell is this weird thing? Come on, craft my crushing wheel. Okay. Looks like it's doing it. Okay. Okay. Nice. Nice. Okay. Give me my drawers. Give me my crushing wheels. Let's go back to our create area. How big are these is my question. Okay. They need a block gap. Okay. So, I mean, do I need this? Question. How do I want to do this? Is the question. Do I do a shaft and then a gearbox again? Probably. Yeah, that's probably what we do. Give me a gearbox. Let's put a shaft here. Let's put a gearbox here, right? And then, how do we get power here? We could try getting it here. Maybe a chain drive? No. Like this? No. This is not. Bro, what? Stupid ass. Bro, what? How does this work? Can someone explain me? What? Like, okay, fine. Do I? Can? Okay. There we go. Now both of them are running. Okay. Finally, and they should be running at opposite. Yeah, looks like they are. And this and this. And we're crushing it. Okay. So all we should have to do. Also, this damages you, I'm pretty sure. If you try to go through it. But we should be able to just crush stuff through this. I totally forgot what we were doing, by the way. Coke dust. We just need to put in coal coke. So, okay, we should have some coke. Let's just put whatever we have through. And it should crush it. Oh. Did I pick it back up? Oh, let me turn off my magnet. Okay, there you go. It's going back in the crushing wheel. Crushing wheel controller is interesting. There's a hidden block there. That's really interesting. Whoa. I've never seen this actually. Never seen this working. Okay. Is that all of them? Nice. That was not bad. Yeah, we lost 3. But that's not bad. That's totally not bad. Okay. Hello, game? Did it just not give me anything? What? Okay. Okay, next up, we need to get the squeezer. Oh, it gave me this, that's why. Okay, let's request a squeezer, right? So let's request industrial squeezer, and it should put everything on this special box we have. I put all these special processing patterns in here. So that's what I do here, just to make sure I can keep count of tally of like what we need. It makes it very easy to like keep count of what I actually need. Also, we should probably start doing a bit more of this stuff, right? This sort of terminal, it works like the oh, it only works on actual coal. It does not work on blocks of coal, which is interesting. Um, Let me just grab some coal. Uh, there we go. Let me put back my wrench. Yeah, just in case I need a little bit more. I don't want to be waiting for it. So I'm just going to put this, and this should start making some of this creosote oil and as well as the coke. Creosote oil is really important because um, how do you, yeah, there we go. Auto output enabled, we do output. This should output all of my creosote oil. Oh, what? That's not working. Can this not? Does this not auto input? Auto output enabled. Also, why is this not getting any energy? Is something wrong? Like, what the fuck? What on earth is happening? $129 RF. What is happening? This is just not picking it up for some reason. Is this not the same creosote? Oh, that's probably why, right? That's probably why. We need a tank. Um, there you go. Yeah, it's a different type of creosote. That's why. This is immersive engineering. I'm just gonna grab a bucket worth, just in case we need it, right? I'm just gonna bucket it all up, and I'm gonna put it in my system because we might need it for our creos. We might need it for the treated wood. And yeah, I'm just gonna put. I don't think we need more than that. That's. I mean, we probably had more than enough already. So yeah, we probably don't need more than that. But you know, just in case. Just in case. Are we crafting anything? Okay, no, we're done. I'm just going to take all of these items. I'm just gonna firstly arrange my inventory and then pull all of this out, and then we're going to cancel this. Okay, very cool. I'm going to go over here and let's start working on this stuff. What did I request? I totally forgot what I requested. This is the squeezer, right? Okay. Let's look at the manual again. We need the squeezer, right? Okay. Oh, it even shows you what we have. So yeah, we're definitely working on the squeezer because it actually shows what I'm working on. Um, okay. So we first do this, right? So on the squeezer, which part do we? Because for this part we actually only need the squeezer. So I'm considering just not. Okay, I would probably put it on this side because I don't need to connect it. If I need to connect up the other machines, I might put it over here, and I could like make a connection through the wall. That's what I'm thinking. Right. So yeah, I'm gonna have to look at this again and again because there is no other way to find out. It's kind of annoying like that. Um, yeah. So light engineering block and some, what is it? Like this. How big is it? It's three. I'm just gonna stick it to the wall then, like this, and then like this. I'm gonna turn on my magnet back up. Let's do. what is it? 1, 2, 3 again, right? And then 2 in the front. Okay. We are getting it, and then there should be pipes here, right? And then what's the next layer? Okay. Barrels, fence, piston. What is that? The I don't know what that is. What do we have that might look like that? I'm not sure. Oh, that's the barrel itself, right? I'm pretty sure that's the barrel itself. Those are the 4 barrels. Okay, that's probably changes color or something. Okay, let's do that. We'll put up a piston. We'll have to turn it. Does this turn? Oh, interesting. Does this not? Okay. That does not seem to be working. We do have the refined storage wrench. Not this, sorry. We do have the refined storage wrench, and this thing what? Bro. What? Okay. Does this not work? Dude, what? What? Okay. Excuse me? Will I actually have to do it manually? This is so annoying. Okay. Hello, game guys. Game, please. Don't do this to me. Don't stop. This is not going to work. Okay, yeah, right here. Like, where am I even looking? Okay, finally. Okay. Where was the other one? Here and here. Okay. Here and here. And the fences were just around on the rest of the barrels. Okay. Cool. We should just have to right click one of these. Right here. Okay, cool. Yeah, the glowing part is where you actually right click to make the actual multi-block. But yeah, this is it. I believe this is the, when it says that, that's actually where it gets power from. So that's probably where we'll put up our gate. Excuse me, game. And this is where we, oh no. What? Oh, is this where it's power? Yeah, that's where power goes. So yeah. What is that then? I don't remember. Do we just put this in? Looks like it's working, actually. Do I just put in this? Do I need to put anything else? No, looks like it's just working. 8 for 1. Oh. Okay. To be honest though, we should only need that much because we should be able to get this. Yeah. Oh, did I remove it? I already had it. Yeah, I should be able to get that now. So yeah, we're done with this. We actually never need this again. So we're done with that. Let's make the fermenter. Oh my goodness, good. Guys, what's happening? Game, please. Okay, let's make the fermenter. Let's request up the fermenter. And then, while that's happening, where is my machine room? Oh, there it is. Let's put this here. Let's go to our mystical area. Not there. Oh my goodness. Mystical. There you go. I believe that was a supreme Imperium recipe, right? Tier 4, right? So hop graphite. We should have hop graphite in our place now, and then we should be able to make the hop graphite seeds. Very cool. What is happening? Oh, I put them on eco mode because I wanted to save up. Oh. Yeah, there we go. It takes 5 seconds. I believe I feel like 5 seconds is worth it because you can already see what's happening with my computer. And eco mode generally makes the lag much better. I need to do something about the bees upstairs. Oh, otherwise I'll have bees everywhere. It's probably also the soul surges, right? Like, these things are definitely not doing good for my game. They're definitely ruining my frames for sure. Let's go to the hyperbox. I believe, do I even have an open spot? I'm not sure. Honey seeds? Do I need honey here? I don't think I need honey here because we already have so many honey. Oh, I forgot I removed that, so might as well put it here. There we go. Oh, also, I changed my, oh my God, I changed my recipe for the I forgot what it's called, the improbability device, right? The improbable probability device, because previously I was crafting 256 million these components, and if you see, these things are very expensive. Like, t- and I like I'm not sure if my like massive inscriber setup is worth it anymore, like because it's like I'm wasting so much resources here, right? If we look at the refined storage version, right, this is a fluid storage part. Like the item storage part is as expensive, but the fluid storage part, right, this is barely anything. It's almost a joke how cheap this is, right? Like, this is 52 silicon, some quartz and iron, like this some redstone. Like, this is it. This is honestly it. This is all you need for a 102. No, sorry, that's not the correct one. Oh, did I? Where? Oh, 1048. Okay, sorry. The wrong one. Sorry. 1048. Okay, yeah. It's only 12,000-ish, right? Silicon, uh, and about 400 some diamonds, right? So we're consuming about 480 diamonds, 900 something. For this is so cheaper. If we do stir up 20, if you look at the actual bottlenecks, we're only missing out on a bunch of string, right? So we only need a bunch of spider essence. We only need a little bit of dirt essence. I mean, a bunch of silicon essence. These three things are very easy to deal with, right? So, like, honestly, right? Like, why would we do the other method, right? Like, this is such an easier method. Also, we don't need this anymore. I'm going to remove that. It's my spider seeds. I probably will make another seed for the spider essence. I might even duplicate these with the phytogenic insulators. Is there is an additional chance? As long as it says, even if it's 0%, as long as it says as an additional chance, you can get additional. So yes, I will be duplicating them in the phytogenic insulator. And yeah, and silicon should also not be that hard to get, honestly, to be honest. We could just set up a whole field and we should have enough silicon like pretty quickly. So that's not a problem. If we go over to our phytogenic setup here, right here, we should have an open spot for spider somewhere. Are these running? I'm not sure. Do you pull in? This should work. I mean, they have water, they have this, they have all the upgrades. That should work. Let me just give you some phyto grow to start off. And yeah. Oh, might as well put this on the distributor. Oh, sorry. Right? Might as well put some phyto grow to good use here. Give him some phyto grow. So he actually like speeds up the process of this, because then we'll get double the essence or triple the essence, I believe, which is pretty nice. So we should get enough spider essence pretty quickly. Oh, I forgot about that. Let's check that out. There we go. And we should have everything needed. Okay. Something is really up with my frames. Yeah. Okay, so next part of immersive engineering is going to be the fermenter, right? So for the fermenter, we need this stuff. How does this work? Okay. scaffolding, block, pipe, right? Almost the same thing. So let's do that first. Hello, game, please. Please, game, don't do this to me. Okay, let's put this up here, right? Pretty sure it's... Oh, the engineering block goes over there. I don't know if you heard that loud thing. Where does the cauldrons go? Okay, 2 cauldrons over there. Okay. Cool. Okay. Alright. That's pretty easy. That's pretty easy. I'm pretty sure it was this. It's pretty similar to that, honestly. It's just instead of barrels, it's like cauldrons. And this should be it. There we go, fermenter. I believe the best thing to ferment is actually honey bottles. So I'm going to... Bro, count on. Okay, so can I not request honey while it's please? Game, okay. 300. Give me 300 honey bottles. Okay, very cool. Okay, also give me a gate. Nice. Oh, I need to cancel this. Let's give you some of the stuff. Right? So that should be plenty. And let's give you some power from here. There we go. And it's running. Nice. And we should get some, what do we call it? Ethanol. Now, when we get the ethanol, we can finally put in a refinery and get acetaldehyde with some silver plates. So we need some silver plates. Might as well prep that up. You know, let's get just 100 of them. Might as well. So yeah, we're slowly getting ethanol here through the industrial fermenter. We should probably start crafting up the refinery as well. Let's get everything for the refinery. Yeah, so that should start up. This... Oh, that's iron plate. That's not steel plate. I should also start up. We are getting a good amount of ethanol. I wonder, is this fluid? Oh no, this is fluid, right? I kind of want to use fluid pipes itself from the industrial foregoing mode. Let's try using that, actually. Let's do 20 of you. Right? I'm gonna try moving it to the refinery with that. I feel like that would be kind of cool. You only need iron plates, which is not bad. Cool. I'm gonna remove bottles. I'm gonna refill you. Yeah, this is not a bad speed. This is honestly not very bad. If we look here, the ethanol gives you about 250 per bottle, which is really good. And for 8, we should get 8, so we should get 1-to-1 of acetaldehyde. And then we need to mix the acetaldehyde back again with some saltpeter. Okay. And then with some oil. Some kind of plant oil. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. Is this what we need though? No, actually, where are we getting the refinery? You'll need to build another refinery to further refine the acetaldehyde into phenolic resin. Oh, it's creosote. I don't know why it was not showing that. The uses for acetaldehyde. Yeah, creosote. We mix it with creosote, and then we get this. Okay, nice. That is not bad. Hello, game, please. Because that's almost done, that probably means that this is done. Very cool. Let's cancel this, and we're done with that. Let's go back And we are back here. Yeah, I'm kind of surprised we could fit everything inside this. I could have probably moved this here and fit the thing here, to be honest. Now we might put the bottling machine in the center. I feel like that's not bad. That's an okay. That's an okay. Okay. That's okay with me. So refinery. We have everything. Okay, pipes. This is 5 blocks tall. This is, I think that's the heavy engineering one. That's the light one, right? This is the heavy one, and that's the light one, right? So, heavy one at the back, at the front, and light one on the thing, right? So this is 5. Oh my God, dude, what's? Can I not play the game? Please let me play the game. Okay. Scaffolding, and just that and that. Okay, that's probably it, right? Next up, sheet metal all across. Compare this redstone block here, and just sheet metal all the way across, right? And that's it. Okay. Cool. That is pretty easy to do. Just sheet metal like this, and then another light one at the back, another heavy one here, and then engineering block right here, and then we should be ready. Nice. Cool. Okay, so is this an input? This looks like an input. That looks like an output. That is another input. Okay, cool. Fluid pipes. Game, please. Game, please. Game, please. Let's use the immersive engineering ones. I'm not sure if they are like the best at like managing lag. I'm not sure. Okay, that's filling up with ethanol. That is very cool. Very cool. Nice. Okay. And creosote we can just grab from the bottom here. Let's just grab all the creosote here. Yeah, I knew I needed some creosote. That's probably why I was doing it like that. Does it just grab directly from this? I don't think so. Yeah, doesn't look like it is. Question. Can I do a pipe? Do you connect? Does that not work? Do I need to put the catalyst in first? Right? That's a... Or maybe... no. Yeah, it doesn't look like that's working. Yeah, we'll have to use... I kind of don't want to. We could have put it in a barrel from Immersive Engineering. That would have been nice. But yeah, we'll have to do this. Okay, very cool. Oh my goodness, dude, what is up with my... What is up with me today? Okay, silver plates. Let's just put... Oh my... Dude, what's happening? Game, please. Power. There you go. You should start running. How much do you need? For acetaldehyde, ethanol. Oh, that's later. How do I remove it? Oops. Do I get to remove it? I messed up. No. Do I get to remove it from here? Game, please, please. Okay. How do I remove you? I might have to just wait. Just white this. I'm not sure if this whites everything or not. Okay, it does white everything. Okay, yeah, that's what I had to do. Really unfortunate, to be honest. But that's fine. We only lost some honey, to be honest, right? So that's fine. Small mistake. Will not do that again. We need to wait for actually putting in all the creosote oil. Ethanol is filling up. We need silver plates. Oh, I should remove the silver plates beforehand. That's fine though. Okay. We're getting acetaldehyde already. Very cool. Let me just put that in a tank. And we'll just recycle that back again for this. Do we do another refinery, to be honest? Do we do another one? Where would we put it? I don't want to move this again. Right? Honestly, is it really that hard? Do we move this? Is the question. Maybe. Let me get this to finish up whatever it's doing, and then I'm gonna move this. Let me make another refinery. To be honest, let's just do it properly. Let's do it properly. You know, let's do this properly. Kind of want this to look cool and everything. Okay. The question is, do we have space? We should have space. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you put one right here, right, we'll have. Let me get a tape measure. Let's just measure it, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 5. So we have space barely have enough space. Let's do it. It's okay. Let's do it. We also need the balling machine, so I'm gonna request that soon. Once we're done with this. Is this done? No, it's still working on it. Oh, that was the noise was from this, right? That's what the noise was from. Very cool. Yeah, keep making me ethanol. Keep working at it. Very cool, very cool. So I'm going to remove this pipe, and we're going to reroute this from the other around, from like this, right? So we can pump it directly from here, and we'll move it 3 blocks across. Once this is done, obviously, I'm gonna put this in a tank. Let's make another tank. Let's make a basic one. These things hold 32,000 buckets. Should be more than enough. Okay, please. Okay. Cool. Once this ethanol is over, which it already is, I'm going to remove it. Very cool. Nice. Let's remove it. Very cool. So, let's move the scaffoldings first. Oh. Oh no. I broke everything. I should know that. Should not Wayne mind. Where's my pipes? Oh, they're there. Okay. So, casing. How was this again? The wall was here, right? Uh, I'm confused. The wall was here. Dude, what is... Game, please. 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 Okay, there you go. This... Oops, sorry. Right there. The light ones were in the back, heavy one here, redstone engineering block there. I'll have to remove that to make sure the flight thing actually forms, make sure it's not interfering. Then finally, one here. Yeah, so it's pretty easy to remember, honestly. I'm surprised people don't just memorize these. Nice. Okay, so hood here. This should go in. Ethanol goes in here. Oh, the problem is the output acetaldehyde. It goes over here, which is a problem. I wonder if it could... You can't configure input-output, right? That is a problem. Let me just... let's disconnect it, right? We'll run a pipe from here, and we'll just disconnect it. That'll be the easiest way. Yeah. Okay. So I'll finish that up, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we finally have a boiling machine set up, and we also got our second fermenter all up with phenolic resin. The only thing that's left to do is actually fill in the phenolic resin inside a mold. Can we not craft the mold? Interesting. Can I not put steel plates and a wire cutter? Excuse me? How do I unlock recipes? Do I need a different blueprint, perhaps? Press molds. Okay, interesting. So I need a different blueprint. Oh, I didn't know that. That's interesting. I didn't know that you needed like separate blueprints for all different recipes. Okay. No issues. Game, please, please, please let me play the game. Game. Hello? What? You see this? Oh my god. Okay, so after about a couple minutes, we have enough of the Duropla sheets that are needed for all of this stuff. If we check here in our quest line, we should be done basically. Yep, we are done. Very nice. If we check here, I believe as long as we just, we can just put everything, right? Let's get vacuum tubes. Okay, cool. Let's put the vacuum tubes back. I don't remember exactly what. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, nice. So we got 30 of the advanced electronic components. That's definitely way more than we need. Very nice. What else we can make? We can make turrets. We can make whatever this. We can make the Tesla coil. Okay, nice, nice, nice. Gun turrets. Also the railgun. What is the Tesla coil? I'm not sure. Okay, so if we pop back all of this stuff back into our refined, sorry, not refined storage, just into our ME system, and we search for railgun, we should be able to make a railgun. Nice. Okay. We are making electrum wires. Yeah, this whole process is really slow. I don't know. If maybe I should have not used the multi-server press. Maybe I should have used crafting recipes with the hammer for plates. This might slow us down eventually when we get to GregTech. But for now, it's fine. I mean, we're gonna get into direct tech eventually anyway. So once we get there, we use it. Railgun. There we go. Before I pick this up, I'm going to go down here because you know what I should do, honestly. Hello, game, dude. What is happening? Okay. I should just turn this off. Honestly, let's just remove it. Question. Because can this not just wirelessly charge us? Wireless charge. Apply. Apply. Right? Does this not charge everything? I would assume so, right? We will check, right? We don't want to make sure that it doesn't mistakenly charges it and then it messes up the NBT or something and then we can't use it in there. But yeah, let's pick it up and hopefully it doesn't charge. Nice, it does not charge. And we have the railgun. Very nice. Oh, the reason why we don't have the quest yet is because we didn't put the Autri accumulator in our inventory. So yeah, we do that. And we have everything complete. Let's just partition the storage. Game, please. Hello? Okay. Okay. Railgun is partitioned. We should have almost everything needed for the next emitter. Oh, I forgot we did. No, we did do this. We did the precision mechanism. So we're actually done. Wow. We can make all the Nexium emitters. If we do Nexium emitter, because we have all the precision mechanism, I'm pretty sure, right? If we do 4, we are not missing anything. Let's just get it. Let's get the Nexium emitter. Okay. Cool. What are we missing? We are missing the dragon soul, right? Which for we need the we need more of this. I forgot to farm it, but we need to get that. But also we need a little bit more of the. Actually, we don't need anything else. We just need a little bit more of this No Queen trophy. Actually, we do have enough. We don't have enough for all the stars, but we have enough for a little bit. I wonder. Oh, never mind. Soul gem. We need to do occultism. That's why. That's what we're waiting on. This stuff, right? Finishing up the evil craft stuff. This again, finish up occultism, and this one is Ad Astra. So that's why. Yeah. So that's all that's left between everything, and we can just put this in here, and we can partition the storage. Very cool. Did they all go in here? Very nice. Okay, so we're done with immersive engineering. We don't need to do anything else in immersive engineering, I'm pretty sure. That will be it. Let's see what we get. We got an elite energy cube. Not bad. But not the best either, to be honest. It's okay. It's okay. So we're done with immersive engineering. Next up, we'll probably do occultism, right? So, we're done with immersive engineering. We do occultism, we do Ad Astra, and then finally finish up with the pneumatic craft, and we can get our first star. We are pretty close. We are not doing this. We are not doing this anymore. Yep. We're doing what is it? 0.48, right? Million fluid part, right? Fluid disk, which is only we need to finish up our silicon, spider, and whatever the other essence was. I forgot. I believe we have all the quartz. We are missing dirt essence, which we're gonna get soon enough. Why do we need dirt essence? Oh, it's because we need it for making sand for all of the glass. That's why. That's probably why, right? But yeah, very cool. We need to start with producing nether stars. We also need to start our Gregtech stuff. We'll do that once we get our 4-star, but yeah, we need to make our infinite mana pool once we actually get to that point. Yeah. I got some extra wasted bees. They're not all full yet, but I made this whole setup. You know, So this point, it's filled till this point. So yeah, I need to start filling these up. They're slowly getting more and more. Um, yeah, I was waiting for the what should we call it? The bees to start building up. Yeah. So I need to start converting them. I'm just converting them through here, feeding them polonium, slowly feeding them all through. But yeah, it's I mean it's a process, you know. It's a whole process. It's not the most, oh my god. Also lags a little bit. It's not the most ideal of processes. But yeah, I wish there's a way to like automatically catch the wasted ones. I really I don't know. I was thinking about this, right? I was thinking, but I don't know. I couldn't figure anything out. Oh, can we pick? Ooh, we can do this from here, which is really interesting. Wasted. Okay, cool. Yeah. So I'm just this is what I'm doing. I'm just slowly converting them all into wasted bees. Yeah, this is don't come here. But yeah, this is what I've been doing. I'll finish up, you know, slowly. I'll build up more and more, and we'll start getting more and more radioactive bees. Now we could just get more uranium, and we could just speed up the production of fissile fuel itself. I don't know. I don't know if we are going to be able to do that, to be honest. I still want to try, you know. I want to try getting, we already have so much polonium, might as well try to use it all up and we use it for all of these bee stuff. Um, yeah. I mean, they're nerfed because I was thinking, right? If each of them give 100 millibuckets per comb, that's that's like because we need for one antimatter pellet, right? How much do we need? We need 1,000 antimatter. 1,000 antimatter is 1,000 polonium. So is one a millibucket of antimatter is. I mean, I'll just show it to you. I don't know why I'm just speaking out of my head. But yeah, one antimatter is 1,000 antimatter. Uh, millibuckets of antimatter, and one of that is 1,000 millibuckets of polonium. So we're looking at what should we call it, like 100,000, no, 60, so a million. We're looking at a million polonium for one pellet, right? Million polonium for one pellet, and then 10 times that, so 10 million, right? Right. So 10 million waste for one, which is not the best of rates. So yeah, um it's probably not the best way to go about doing these things, to be honest, but it is a method, so I'll be trying it, you know. I will be. So it is what it is. We'll see eventually one if whether this is going to be worth it or not. But yeah, I think I'm gonna call it here. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. This has been me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.